Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Isabel, and I'm part of the Point of Sale and IoT expertise team. In today's videos, we are diving into a setup and use of a Cashdrawer, a very essential part of any retail point of sale system. So, what exactly is a Cashdrawer? Simply put, it's a secure compartment used to store cash during sales transactions. But it's more than just a box. It's an important part of your point of sale setup that helps ensure accuracy and security. Let's break down the key components involved. We have the Cashdrawer itself, the connection cable, usually it's an RG12, the receipt printer, and your point of sale system. We recommend using the MetaPace K2 Cashdrawer. Why? Because it is reliable and works seamlessly with most receipt printers that we support, that they are following the Odoo PoS protocol. You can use other Cashdrawers, of course. Just make sure the drawer is compatible with your receipt printer. The key is the cable RG12 port. Most drawers and printers use one of these standard connections. Here is something important. The Cashdrawer doesn't connect directly to your point of sale system. Instead, it connects to your receipt printer using this RG12 cable, which usually comes in the box. And because it connects through the printer and this specific printer is directly compatible with Odoo, you don't need an IoT box. Just make sure your receipt printer is properly connected to your point of sale. Let's set it up. So the drawer opens automatically when a sale is completed. For that, we need to locate the RG12 port on the back of your receipt printer. Plug it in the cable from the drawer. Voila. Now it's done. In your point of sale settings, check the option to open the Cashdrawer automatically. For that, we will go to the configuration settings, and we will make sure that here in our Odoo PoS printer, first of all, our printer is connected by the IP address. This is because it's a direct printer connection. And we need to check this box, Cashdrawer. This will help us to open automatically the Cashdrawer when we proceed the payment. Now, let's test everything. Let's open our point of sale. Create a quick order and proceed to the payment. I will select cash, of course, and I will validate it. As you see, there it is. The drawer pops up and opens automatically. If the drawer doesn't open, here's what you need to check. Make sure that the RG12 cable is firmly connected to the printer and the drawer. Check the receipt printer settings to ensure it's properly connected to the point of sale. If not, restart the point of sale systems. Sometimes that's all it takes. And lastly, verify the automatic drawer opening option that is enabled in the point of sale configuration. That's it. As you have seen, it's very easy to set up. If you run into some issues or need personalized support, feel free to reach out. Our team is here to help. Thanks for watching.